I like a day that's not cloudy and a tea that's not cloudy. That's why I like Louisiane. Louisiane's got special tea leaves that keep it clear as a bell all day. Now, if you're drinking Lipton or Tetley, look at the box. It tells you what to do when it turns cloudy. Louisiane says nothing about cloudy, 'cause it doesn't get cloudy. Louisiane, the one tea that's always clear as a bell.
You have to go to the bathroom? You want me to dance around the room? Okay. Hey, did that scare make your hiccups go away? I have a feeling that finding the purple balloon is going to solve all our problems. I'll get some help. Come on, Cece. Let's go find that purple balloon. Do you spy what I spy? Ready, everybody? Let's see. How about if you, count backwards from 10 to 1? Well, I don't know, but it's worth a try. It worked! Ta-da! Your hiccups are gone. Or not. We've got to find... Cece has a big case of the hiccups. I spy a lemon, a white plastic spoon. I don't know, but there's only one way to find out. First, we need to find a lemon.